¿Tú vas a ser famoso, güey? What's going on, guys? Interior job going on. Whew. Painting this whole joint. Doing patchwork. Covering the floors. Flipping the wood. This whole place got new baseboards. It's got new jams too. This whole thing had had tile on top of that. Those 2 feet up there, if you see it, we had a scheme with all that. I mean, it was horrible. It's looking much better now. Yeah, man, it's a nice interior, definitely. Nice size job. It's just a lot of prep. There's a lot of peeling paint around the corners. A lot of holes in the walls. And somebody did some kind of shabby job here, and some holes that they cut out that we had to patch. Also, we got some water stains in the ceilings that we got to take care of before we do start putting our first coat. So this lady's gonna go with the light gray color. So we have to put 1 coat of white so we can get rid of all these dark avocado green. ¿Qué pasa, Juanito? Aquí haciendo un interior viejo. Mucho trabajo, poco dinero. Aquí anda Luisito lijando todos los parches. Todas las puertas ya se lijaron, más o menos. This whole interior is gonna get done. It's a 2-story home, 5 bedrooms. That was wainscoting before. It's not anymore. Oh, this here was wainscoting too. Took it out, patched the walls up. Small closet. Kitchen. Still got some drywall I'm working on. That right there is stain. The customer just wants me to cap it with a piece of finished wood in there, and that's it. So this is the first story, first floor. Got the primer ready for first coat on the walls. Got some painter's edge. We're just gonna use as a prime coat. All the walls here are gonna be flat finish, so they are definitely not good for any kind of sheen. So I recommend it to go with flat. The master's over there. Still got some drywall to work over here, but we're focusing on downstairs for now. We may gonna be painting these cabinets. She wants a bid for that, so we'll see. The other wing. Make sure these guys are taking these things right. It's the master bedroom. Damn. Is this from a rat? That's about it.